10 साल से हुई टिनाइटिस की समस्या को पीएस अरोड़ा जी ने डॉक्टर स्पेक्ट्रा के साथ कैसे ठीक किया, आइए सुनते हैं उनका फीडबैक।
यस यस
पीएस सर, थैंक यू सो मच हमारे साथ अपना फीडबैक शेयर करने के लिए। आप मुझे बताएंगे आपकी एज कितनी है एंड आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं?
स्पीक लिटिल लाउडर
ओके,
स्पीक लिटिल लाउडर
अच्छा ओके। सर, मे आई नो योर एज एंड आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं?
I am 68 years old and belong to Delhi for last many years now.
ओके, एंड सिंस हाउ लॉन्ग यू हैव दिस टिनिटस प्रॉब्लम एंड आपको कैसे डॉक्टर स्पेक्ट्रा के बारे में पता चला? यू कैन टेल योर होल जर्नी सर।
Okay. This tinnitus problem started about 10 years ago
Okay.
when I visited the Formula One racetrack with my children. And they were all enjoying, my friends and children and my wife, but then I couldn't bear that big screeching sound. The first time I realized that I cannot bear that sound. So I came out of that arena and came to the cafe, but cafe में आके भी बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ थी, and I had to sit there for 1 hour out of no choice, kept my blah blah. Then I went home and I forgot about it.
Okay.
I did not connect it. Maybe इसकी वजह से हुआ होगा.
Right.
So after 1 or 2 years, धीरे-धीरे वो tinnitus की बढ़ती गई. The sound, ringing sound. My good friend of mine, he is a senior ENT in Delhi. I went to him and then he saw it and said this is due to tinnitus, and they started working. But then still it did not connect. I did not tell him all that. I did not it is connected to that Formula One racetrack. But after 1 or 2 years, 3 years, when I read it here and there, this could be a possible cause. Then I told him. He said, yes, this could be a possible cause also. Then I started relating to this screeching and loud sound. But I wasn't feeling comfortable with that. So I believe it is due to that. And secondly, I was taking Votin for the last 10 years, and then but I found my hearing going down slowly and tinnitus slowly deteriorating. And I was told, I went to many doctors in NCR and Delhi, Bombay and elsewhere. But I was told in allopathic medicine, there is no treatment really for this. Whatever they said, kuch nahi hai.
Yes.
Then somehow I happened to stay in Noida at ATS village. We have a homeopath doctor in our site, Dr. Ruth Srivastav. So I happened to get in touch with her about a year ago, and then I said, "See, this is my problem." She said, "Yes, I cannot guarantee, but there can be some improvement. I have one or two patients, and we can try on you also." Then I started with her about 6-8 months back, and then visible change in the medication she gave me, and about 50% relief मुझे हो गया उससे. 50% means in terms of duration मेरा 10-15 दिन रहता था, फिर 4-5 दिन हो गया. The degree of sound also came down. It was a big relief. So during one of my visits, every bi-monthly visit, she told me there is a lady staying in ATS village itself, where I stay, sector 93A. I don't remember her name. Some Bengali lady.
Yeah.
So I forgot the name. So she is also her patient, and she tried Dr. Spectra, your equipment, and she told me, Dr. Ruchi, that she had good relief. Why don't you talk to her? I spoke to the lady, Bengal lady, I believe. I spoke to her, and she said, yes, I've been using it for 1 year. I had good relief, and now last for 6-8 months I don't use it at all. Almost don't use it, and it's something good. Then I came to you, and then we started off with this device, and I also am very happy to say that what 50% relief was homeopathic medicines gave me, further 50% relief was by your
Device.
tinnitus relief device.
Yeah.
इससे हुआ है. So now वो जो मुझे हफ्ता रहता था at times, now it is come down to 1 day at the most. So only I don't use it every day as you and Muskan told me.
Yes.
I use it for the last 1 month only when required.
Yes, correct.
When required भी जब होता है, if I'm exposed to very loud sound, तो function में चले गए, कहीं जाना ही पड़ गया.
Yes, yes.
So I put some cotton as you advised me, but
Yeah.
still उसके बाद थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है. So then I use it or if I happen to eat some roadside food or high cheese and all that,
Yeah.
गलती से कभी खा लिया ऐसे,
तो
फिर वो
spike हो
बढ़
जाता
जाएगा.
है, right.
So these two situations aggravated, but then I start using your tinnitus relief, and within 24 hours comes back.
Okay.
So this is it, and I'm very happy that there's good relief. That's why I told you, and I tell Muskan, why don't you convey to more and more people that
Yeah.
they come and make use of your
Yes, your message will
advice. Will be good
convey.
business for you, and will be
Yeah.
good some good work, humanitarian work doing for people suffering from tinnitus.
Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot. One last thing, sir. Can I put this feedback on my YouTube for just awareness to among people who have?
Can you say
Can I
again?
put
Can
this
you?
feedback on my YouTube channel पे क्या
Yes,
ये
yes, you can.
कर सकते हैं?
Okay, I'm okay with it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Chali, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Take care, sir.